Hey guys, I want to share with you 3 essential things that you need to know if you want to monetize your content on YouTube. You have seen a whole lot of people monetizing their content on YouTube and they are cashing out thousands of dollars. Now, come closer. If you want to monetize your content on YouTube, this video is for you. Now, stick around to the end of this video and watch it to the end. I'm going to share with you 3 good tips that will help you monetize your content as fast as possible. Now, the number 3 is very important. So watch this video to the end so that you can get everything I'm going to share with you in this video. Okay, number 1, never post people videos. Don't post people content. Don't just pick a video from any source, from anywhere, and begin to post on YouTube. Now, the consequences attached to this for you to download any music, any video from any source and post on your YouTube channel is that YouTube is going to suspend your account. And you know what that means. You are working on your account for maybe 6 months, for many months, and maybe 1 year plus. Maybe at the end of the day, there is a suspension being placed on your channel. You know how painful that could be. Now, I don't want you to be a victim of that. Try as much as possible to create your own content. Now, even if you cannot hold a camera, you cannot create a content on your own, I'm going to do another video based on this topic. And I will show you where to get videos for royalty-free videos from the right resources or from the right source to monetize your content on YouTube. The number 2 thing I'm going to share with you if you want to monetize your content on YouTube is that you should not use any music that comes across your way. For instance, you want to create a video for your YouTube channel, and in the process of creating that channel or that video, you are picking any video from maybe from your phone, from your mobile device, and you use to create that video. Now, I want to assure you that video is going to be restricted. YouTube is going to place copyright restrictions on that video. Now, you don't want to maybe take a whole lot of time, edit a video, and at the end of the day, that video is not accepted by YouTube. Now, if you want to get music for your video, there are so many resources out there. Number 1 is the YouTube library. There are so many free, royalty-free music in YouTube library. So I encourage you to use those royalty-free music from YouTube. Another place you can get your music is Epidemic Sound. Just log into epidemicsound.com and you are going to get all kinds of music. Search for the kind of music you are looking for that is suitable for your video, and at the end of the day, you will see thousands and thousands of music that you can use to create your own video and upload on YouTube. Okay, number 3. This one is very important. If you want to grow your channel very fast in a few months and start cashing out. In fact, this particular tip I'm going to share with you is very important. Now, one of the strategies I use on my new YouTube channel is for me to share shorts, YouTube shorts. In fact, the potential of YouTube shorts is very mind-blowing. Some of the things you must do when you are sharing YouTube shorts. Now, make sure that short is not long, because you are using it to, number 1, to get subscribers, number 2, to get views, to bring as many eyes to your channel. Now, make sure that short that you are sharing is mind-blowing shots. Make sure the people are attracted to that shot. They capture attention of people immediately in your shots. If you are watching this video to this point, it means this video is informative. So I would like you to like this video, give a thumbs up to this video, and subscribe to this channel. turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new content. Now, the 3 things I have shared with you are very, very essential. Don't joke with these 3 points. Don't use people's video. Don't use any music that comes your way, and make sure you upload your short every day. It's a strategy for subscription. If you need many subscribers on your YouTube channel, upload shorts at least 3 times a day, or if you cannot do it 3 times a day, at least twice a day. And make sure your shorts is engaging. Share this video to another person so that they can also benefit from this video. Thank you. See you next time.